Ever wondered if Walker Skin Protect really lives up to the hype, or if it's just another skincare product making big promises without backing them up? Walker Skin Protect is being marketed as a revolutionary solution that can protect, repair, and enhance your skin with what they call advanced ingredients. But a closer look raises more questions than answers. The product claims to shield your skin from damage and improve overall health, yet it provides no clear explanation of how it actually works. There are no verified clinical studies or dermatological endorsements to support its claims. And much of the marketing relies on buzzwords like advanced formula or powerful protection that sound impressive but lack substance. The brand itself is difficult to trace, with little transparency about the manufacturer or their track record in skincare. Many of the reviews on the website appear overly polished or controlled, and the product images seem AI-generated or staged rather than authentic. Promotions often rely on heavy discounts and urgency tactics, making it feel more like a sales push than a legitimate skincare solution. Independent feedback is sparse, and even the few user reviews available are inconsistent, making it hard to gauge real effectiveness. While some people might notice minor improvements after using it, the results are neither dramatic nor guaranteed, and the product doesn't provide the level of evidence or support one would expect from a truly effective skincare solution. Overall, Walker Skin Protect raises several red flags for anyone considering it. And while it may not be harmful, it's worth approaching with caution and realistic expectations rather than relying on bold marketing claims. If you're exploring options for skin protection or repair, there are likely better documented alternatives available with proven results.